right, so boring market. All right, so where can we start now? We had our last stream where we were saying we still have a bit of room up here. We analyzed as these two main levels had to be swept over here, okay? And now, as you can see, we entered this kind of consolidation for the USDT. So at the moment, the main line that must be broke below the level here must be this one here. So then we can enter again the range down here. Okay. In this case, we can see a bit of reliefs all over the charts. Today we had this good 15-minute divergence, one here, one here. I wanted to call here, but to be honest, I wasn't so confident that we had a retracement till these levels here, so I decided to not call it. As you can see, we bounced it back, and I mean, you can see the bounce, right? Still confident that at least we can sweep out these three highs here. 1, 2, 3, these three highs here in some way. So then the main level is still again the one there. Okay, we spoke in the last stream with the participation of Muro that we need a flip of this level, and as you can see here, we had to attack on the box, a little bit wider like here, to attack on the box, but we weren't able to flip it and gain this level here. I mean, this flip of the box should be then in line with the break of this level here. At that point, we can play maybe the retest on the box and continue till this level here, in line with this level here. Okay, and then we can see if we can continue to the downside. But these are the main levels. 1, 2, 3. We can maybe go down here, attack again here, and maybe continue to the downside. So pretty easy now that you won't have 1000 signals in the group, because it's not the moment to do 1000 signals. So maybe then now we can have something like this, creating again 1, 2, 3, okay, this pattern here, as we can maybe have the last one here, 1, 2, 3, okay, little structure in a bigger structure, easy to see. Okay, can you see the video or not, Kang? This is fucking Wi-Fi. Let me try again. Oh shit, I knew I would have some problems. Oh, now yes, it works. Oh, good, amazing. Okay, so I was sorry for that. I missed the message. I mean, we have this situation here. 1, 2, 3. Little structure here. Okay, this is the level. We can then bounce here, then attack this support here, and then again this resistance, then continue to the downside. This should be in line for the little structure here, okay, and attack to this level here on 8.837 with the attack here on the box, flip retest, and then maybe we can like target with the retest the higher levels here. Okay, otherwise again we attack it 1, 2, 3 times now. Maybe at that point means that we attack again this line here, trying to attack the box. We fail to flip the red box, and then we will for the first time sweep these two levels here. Okay, that's the point. All clear? Yeah, I did it again. So this is the thing. And the thing I was talking about, the short on Bitcoin I wanted to call today, it was, let me see what it was. Oh, maybe here. Okay, never mind. I had this range here from this eye to this eye. We had on the 30-minute, this 15-minute div from here to here. I was thinking that it was not that possible that we could target this lower level for today, so I did not share because I think should have been like a break even, and that's how it's going. I think now we can at least sweep these three levels here, these 1, 2, and 3 levels here, and then maybe to see if we can attack again the level I was talking about before, the red box. Okay, but yeah, at this point we have still a bit of boring actions on the market for now, not too much to see. I think there will be time to make like thousands of calls, but this is not the right time. I think now it's a good moment to take some spots, as we did. We recovered some losses from the last month, thanks to spot, even with like we end the month like with a -3R. It's like 3 years that I was not ending a month in negative, but it's around break even. But with spot, you should be in a profit. But yeah, the thing is that now we still need to patience a bit. It's like the, I don't know, fourth week I'm saying you that we need to patience a bit, but the answers are on the market. We're still ranging. Okay, that's it. Any question? Any chart you want to look at together? Because I was looking here at some alerts, we don't have that much. Yeah, ZBT here could be interesting, I think, for a short soon. I think it's still negative for the funding. Okay, no, it turned negative. I was looking before, it was negative. I mean, it turned positive. It swept this eye here, attacking maybe. Okay, maybe it can like. This could be actually a continuation, maybe. Retesting this box here. Let's set some alerts here. We will look at that. Pump fun, peak down again. Obviously, a great one here would be the sweep of this eye here on lower time frame with the absorption we always see. Then here it's bouncing back on that POCs at 23,246 here. Then we have LTC. I mean, soon we will see. Let me see. Wait. Let me go back here. 4 to 4 hours. 2 hours. This is what I want to see. Yeah, that's the box. The only thing I want to see is the flip of that box. That's it. Nothing else. Nothing else. Questions, fam? Any chart requests you have? Like some odds or so small cap coins. My high time frame. It's a thing that I shared like months ago on Bitcoin. Maybe I'm wrong, I don't know, but 3 days here. Okay, let's. Oh, okay. Can I be honest with you? Expansion, expansion. Not 6K, maybe. Where it was? Wait. Okay, it's logarithmic. Wait. What was it? Because I had it maybe here. No, I completely erased everything. Okay, yeah, there you go. There you go. This is the plan that I shared a lot of time ago. I was saying that 6K too low. Okay, this is it. Okay, expansion down here. Now we are a bit in the middle of nowhere. I think we could have like target at least 90K around here. We didn't get to that point there, but at the moment I wouldn't be surprised if we get down to 50K here. Okay, you can clearly see here the movement we had perfectly touching these level here. Okay, this level here, and then boom. At that point I think we can land sweep here and then target higher. At that point 75K is the K, and decide to go down here or flip it again and continue to the upside with this kind of pattern at that point. Okay, but for now we are in a bearish cycle, in my opinion. Yeah, spot term is the good thing. Should I wait or not? It depends to you. I think the best thing you can do is an accumulation plan. Little transactions daily or maybe weekly or even monthly if you want, as all the banks, investing banks do with their customers. But yeah, monthly, weekly, or daily if you want. You can also, like with Claude, create a bot that does it for you, so then you don't have to take care about it. You can set a time with Claude Code and let it run on its own without worrying about entry price or stop losses or take profits. It's all automatically, and that's it. All right. The thing is that Ethereum is still like a bit weak in my opinion. The main thing it must flip now is this trend line, this level above the trend line. It didn't get to here where I wanted to long it. I still think front run for a few cents. Still think it can like sweep the level and then attack again this box here. But for now it's still looking for a down movement here. Okay, because here the internal level it's around here. You can see it. Boom, 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 up. Support, down, resistance, resistance, resistance. Now we are at a resistance. So yeah, definitely. Sol it's doing great now. Okay, it's flipping the level we were talking about. I think now it should at least have a retest here for a continuation. Let me set an RS here, because then it gets interesting if we have an absorption here on the retest, so then we can see an aggression on the buyers and we can target these eyes here. This is one of the first alts I'm seeing that they are gaining back the levels they lost. As you can see, XRP is not doing it. ADA doing it. is turning good. I think. Yes, this is turning good. We still have our spot positions open from this level here. Okay, so we are almost break even. But yeah, that's it. At and Solai time frame, let's go see it. Okay, so let me use this one here so we can get it clear view. Let's go with the 3 days. Okay, look at here, level, level, at least a sweep of this low here must be perfectly in line then with a retest getting back here, because then if we lose the level, don't clown me, but the next step could be here or even here, I don't know, but definitely look at the range we are playing here. It's like abnormous, okay, but definitely lose this level here would be critical for Ethereum, looking at it wisely. And then we have Sol. Okay, the thing is that Sol must claim back now obviously the level we were talking about on the lower time frame, but then the main level that he needs to flip is this one here. Flipping it obviously would be like accumulation, manipulation, and then boom, distribution. Oh my gosh, it's a dick. Let me erase it. Okay, accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Then if we have this situation here, wouldn't be surprised if we get up here. That could be possible. Cool. So then, I mean, for now, the thing you were talking about in the chat about spot accumulation is the best thing you can do, because it's so like this one here. We don't have a direction. We have an higher high, a lower low, an higher low, sorry, higher high, then a lower low, then a lower high, then a lower low, then I mean, how can you train this way? You just need to wait, be patient, and look for little opportunities to do scalps that we are not having now. We are not having it, because even here, this was a good retest to catch, to be honest, because you can see this is a level of interest. Then we lost the level, we tried to attack, we did not reach the level. We retested one time here and a second time here. So we had, for example, on Pump Fund, 2 opportunities to play with. This retest and this retest here for little quick scalps. Okay, but positions where you have like swings for 1 week, in this situation, I think it's not possible, because even here on INA, we had the call, we had a great reaction on the first touch here. Look, 1 hour profit. We didn't lock profits here, because I like hope we saw a bit of strength from this coin here, but then started to lose again here, then a higher high, then a lower low, then a lower high, and then ranging again. So now the only thing I want to see here, like, it's a sweep of the level down here, okay, and see then if we can have another opportunity. But for now it's a game of patience. That's it. Sui, let's take a look at Sui. if the boss is saying it's looking juicy, for sure there's a reason, and he is right. Look at the strength is showing here. Okay, we had this little deviation here. We have this trend line has been where is it? They are starting to flip here. What's the period? 2015. Okay, perfect. Yeah, they are starting to flip the levels here. Yeah, looks great, to be honest. Yeah, definitely. Definitely. Again, here, it's looking great, but the main levels that must be flipped, it's above here. So then we can enter back the range. Then we have the deviation trying to attack again the box. Refuse here, down, swept the level. That is the same I want to see here on INA, for example. You can see a bit of patterns over the charts. Sweep here, then higher. Let's see, seems good. To be honest, the good entry was here 2 days ago. Some hours ago. Yesterday, yeah. Yesterday, yeah. It was a good entry. Again, sure. Again. Let's go take a look at again. Again. These are the kind of coins that I don't like to play with. Look at this. You see it? I mean, yeah, almost touched the 75 level. We can maybe try a sweep of this though here, but should be in line with a bounce on this level here, where we saw an interest on the level that is here and here. So then we can try to anticipate a bit. Stop loss like 4 or 5, but these are damn quick, this kind of coin. And I have something like this, maybe a sweep of the 75 level, that happens sometimes. I wanna also look at the POC of the expansion from here to here. It's a bit damn below here, and we have a little low volume node here. The biggest one are here and here. Something around here, we will see then. But yeah, we have some alerts. Let's keep an eye on it. And yeah, Sui, we already talked about it. Alright. And yeah, this is it. Let me know if you have any questions, or we can enjoy our night tonight and see if any opportunities come out with the time. Thanks to you, dusk, and then we enjoy the night. Wait, wow, what is easy? What is this? What is going on here? Damn. Okay, I don't care. Let's go on dusk. Dusk, it's a pretty difficult coin, in my opinion, to trade with, because you can see then big expansion, then big retracement, lot of expansion here, then a retracement. I don't like that much. Also, you can see these big moves on Dusk. I don't like to play with this kind of coin. Obviously, now this is an important level. Okay, losing it means that we can clearly aim to lower levels down here. I mean, this is an important level. To be precise, this is the level. Okay, super precise. We way swept these levels here, so then now we can maybe look at some lower time frame triggers, such as this trend line. Okay, let's set an alert here. If we see an impulse, it could be something, but I don't want to see now rejection. I want to see an impulse, and then at least get to this lower time frame level. Let me erase this so you can clearly see it. Okay, and play on confirmations on lower time frames. Definitely. All right. Okay.